Putting on the new belt on the Atlas Copco. This was the old belt. You can see there's no more teeth in it. It's now trash. So for the Atlas Copco, I don't want to take off the belt guard. There's a guard that covers this. Loosen these 4 bolts by 1 turn. So that's 1 revolution. After doing so, you'll feel that the belt is going to still be loose. Right now, mine's a little tighter. These 2 bolts up top, they bring the air end up. So you want to go clockwise. And as you go clockwise, with these 4 bolts loose by 1 turn, you should see that the belt will start to tighten up. And once you get to a desirable amount of deflection, which you can also check your tension here. On the Atlas Copcos, they make them pretty neat. You can have the tension for the used belt, tension for the new belt, depending on what model you have and pressure range. It's all there. So I'm just gonna keep going until I get my right tension. Once you get the tension right, these 2 nuts up top, you just bring them down, keep them snug, and away you go.